Hi guys, welcome to Nikita Glow Quest, your place for the ultimate glow up. And in today's video, we are going to unpack and review Vacay in a bottle, said by Kayali. And this is going to be the raw, unfiltered video because I have not seen any review video on YouTube or even on Fragrantica. This video is going to be 100% genuine review video of this set. So this package we get 4 bottles, and the name of these bottles are based on the vacation destination which are famous in the world. The first one is orange one, which is Marrakesh in a bottle. This is an orange blossom fragrance because Marrakesh is famous for orange blossom and jasmine fragrances. Then we have yellow color, which is Capri in a bottle. It's a lemon sugar fragrance. As we all know, Capri is famous for its lemons. Then we have Kayali in green color, Maui in a bottle. This is sweet banana fragrance. And then we have the light blue, Maldives in a bottle. This is a ylang cocoa fragrance. So let's see now how they are. Okay, I'm opening it now. Now, time for the big reveal. Dun-dun-dun. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Can you see how pretty they look? Amazing. Wow. Just see how amazing they are. So let's start with the orange one first, which is Marrakesh in a bottle. This is how it is. See how pretty it is. Pretty. Do I have to shake it? It looks very okay. I'll just spray it now. This is an oriental fragrance. You get the orange, but it's very subtle. It's like a kapoor fragrance. It's okay. It's not going to be my favorite. Let's try this side again. Oh, it is orange color. Can you see here? It's coming. So do not directly spray on your white color dress or white color top. This is very oriental kapoor agarbatti like fragrance. It's like orange agarbatti. Yeah. Now let's see Capri in a bottle. This is how the bottle is. Again, a beautiful bottle. Just imagine going on a vacation with all these pretty bottles. I hope all the perfume brand makes like this. The small variants, it's easy to take along. Okay. I really love this. Wow. This is like candy lemon. This is like lemon. This is like a lemonade. Tangy lemonade. I love this. Oh, I cannot stop smelling it. Let's try at the back as well one more time. And it doesn't give that, yellow color like in Marrakesh we had. This is definitely going to be my top 2 or top 3 fragrance. I really love this. Perfect for vacation on beach. This truly captures the essence of Capri. Really pretty and good fragrance. And now let's try Maui in a bottle. This is how, again, a beautiful bottle this is. I really love, but why there is orange inside? This is green, there should be green color. Okay, let's see how the fragrance is. Why there is orange tint? Interesting. I get banana. It's like banana salad. Yeah, it's like a banana fruit salad. Will not be my favorite, but it's nice to have because I really do not like banana fruit. Yeah, but it captures, you know, banana flavor. There is no any other dominant note other than banana here. So if you really love banana, then you're going to love this. It's like a ripe banana, so therefore they have kept the name sweet banana. This is the bottle. And now the last one, Maldives in a bottle. I'm feeling bad that is the last bottle. I want more fragrances like this. Again, a beautiful bottle, but with the orange perfume. And actually here it complements because blue and orange are the contrasting colors. Let's smell it. I have high hopes from this because I really love Maldives. It doesn't have that orange tint. This is like a cocktail. I like this. This is like a cocktail, like a beachy cocktail made specially for you. Yeah, it's like that cranberry juice kind of fragrance. Yeah, I like this. It's a good one. So that was all, guys, the review of Vacay in a bottle miniature set. My personal favorite is the Capri in a bottle, number 1. Number 2 will be Maldives in a bottle. Number 3 will be Maui in a bottle, and last will be orange one. So guys, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. And you can follow me on Instagram as well to stay connected and see what is going on behind the scene. And also you can check out my more perfume review videos in the playlist shown on the screen. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.